discuss the properties of closure property and commutative, associative, and next one is additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, additive identity, and also multiplicative identity discussed in previous classes. Now do the exercise 1.1. First Roman, name the property. Involved in the following examples. Eight by 5 plus 0. 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5 is equal to 8 by 5. 8 by 5. That means the given sum, which property holds? Which property holds? Answer is a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. This property is called additive identity. Additive identity. Here 0 is the additive identity. So this property is called additive identity. Additive identity. Second one is 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 5 to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, this is in the form of answer is A plus C is equal to AC. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is the property of distributive property. Distributive property. Third one is 3 to 1. 1 is equal to 1 into 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7. A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. This is the property multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Identity. And next one, fourth one is 5 into 2 by 5 is equal to 1 into minus 2 by 5. This is also in the same form. There is also into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. This is also the multiplicative identity. Identity. So 1 plus 1 by 3 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. This is in the form of A is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is the commutative property. Next, 5 by 2 into 3 by 7, that is equal to 15 by 14. Equal to AB. That means something value, another value is 3. This is the closure property. With respect to multiplication, the symbol is multiplication. So with respect to multiplication, minus 7a. Minus 7a is equal to 0. A plus minus a is equal to 0. A plus minus a is equal to 0. It is the additive inverse. Inverse is x into 1 by x equal to 0. By a into 1 by a1 7 cancel, 1 ones are 1. It is the multiplicative identity, multiplicative inverse. multiplicative inverse. Next one. Two into x plus 2 into 6. Into x plus 6 is equal to 2 into x plus 6. This is in the form of b plus c. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. A into b plus a into c. This is the distributive property. Distributive property. Second Roman, additive and the multiplicative inverse of the following. Second Roman, additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. Following. First one is minus 3 by 5. Here they want additive inverse and the next one is multiplicative inverse. Here additive inverse is additive inverse of a is minus a. Additive inverse of a is minus a, and also additive inverse of minus a is plus a. Additive inverse of minus a is plus a. Similarly, you will write additive inverse of, answer is minus 3 by 5 is 5 plus 3 by 5. Here the symbol is negative, here the symbol is positive. In case of, if the symbol is positive, the symbol is negative. That means additive inverse of the negative number is positive number and the positive number is negative number. Of minus 5 is multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5 is, that means multiplicative inverse of a by b is b by a. That means reciprocal of the number. Similarly, here the number is minus 5 by 3. That means the fraction is minus 5 by 3. And is 1. Same type of steps. Additive inverse of 1 is, additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Here plus 1 are there, so additive inverse is minus 1, and next one is multiplicative inverse of 1 is Multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1. That means reciprocal of the number. Already told that reciprocal of the number, that means 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Next, third. 0. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. The symbol is negative. That is minus 0 is the additive inverse. Here minus 0 r plus 0 and 0 are the same values. So additive inverse of 0 is 0. Similarly, multiplicative inverse of 0 is and multiplicative of 0 is not defined because of reciprocal of 0. Reciprocal of 0 means 1 by 0. Anything by 0 is not defined. Anything by 0 is not defined. So 1 by 0 is not defined. That's like we will write multiplicative inverse of 0 is not defined. Next one is 10. Additive inverse of 7 by 9 is additive inverse of 7 by 9 is minus 7 by 9. Minus 7 by 9. Additive inverse of 7 by 9 is minus 7 by 9. That means here 7 by 9 positive value are there. So additive inverse is negative value minus 7 by 9. Similarly, multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9 is that means 9 by 7 reverse value 9 by 7. Next one is fifth one minus 1 is additive inverse of minus 1 is additive inverse of minus 1 is plus 1. Additive inverse of minus 1 is plus 1. Next one is multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Because of minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. First one is minus 1 by 17 is equal to 5 1 by 17. 1 by 17. That means number is sum of two numbers. A plus B is equal to B plus A. It is in the form of A plus B plus A. So here B is minus 12 by 5. So here B is answer is plus dash is equal to minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. So answer is B. B means minus 12 by 5. 5. Second one, plus dash minus 2 by 3 are there. Minus 3 plus dash is equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. So solution is 0 is equal to A. Additive value, additive identity is 0. So A plus 0 is equal to A. That's like here minus 2 by 3 plus dash is equal to minus 2 by 3. So the value is 0. The value is 0. Next one, fourth one, third one is dash is equal to 1 into dash is equal to 9 by 11. A is equal to A. 1 into A is equal to A. So here A same value, therefore A is equal to 9 by 11. 9. Next one is minus plus minus plus 6 by 7. 5 plus 6 by 7 is equal to plus 5 by 6 associative property. Associative property, that means A plus B plus C is equal to C plus A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Therefore, the last value is C, 6 by 7. By 6 plus last value is C. C means 6 by 7. Dash 1 by 3. 1 by 4, 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into dash. B plus C is equal to C plus A into C. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Similarly, here the value is A into B, 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into dash. Here say A, 3 by 4. So the first value is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into dash. Dash means last value C is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. And the sixth one is 7 plus dash is equal to minus 16 by 7. Minus 16 by 7 plus dash is equal to minus 16 by 7. A is equal to A. Additive 0. Therefore, A plus 0 is equal to A. That means here the rational is minus 16 by 7 plus dash is equal to minus 16 by 7. That means 0. Minus 16 by 7 plus 0 is equal to minus 16 by 7. And fourth sum is 2 by 11 of minus 5 by 14. By 14. The reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Solution. First of all, write the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Minus 5 by 14 is reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is reciprocal, that means reverse value, that is equal to minus 14 by 5. Actually the value is 14 by minus 5. Here minus are there, so minus 14 by 5. Next multiply the value. 2 by 11 and reciprocal of the value means minus 14 by 5 is equal to 2 by 2 minus 14 by 5, that is equal to plus into minus. 14 2s are 28 by 11 5s are 55. Minus 28 by 55. Which properties in computing computing 2 by 5 into 5 to 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 3 4 7 2 by 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. Which properties are used in the computing the value? Answer is three numbers are there, A, B, C. A into B into C. That means here 5 are cancelled. So A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. You will write associative property. B into C is equal to A into B into C. So are cancelled and also here 3 are cancelled. Associative property is here 5 are cancelled. That means 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6. 5 cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 7 by 6. 2 ones, 2 threes. That is equal to 7 by 3 are there. First value is 7 by 3. And the second value is 1 by 3 into 3 into 11. 3 cancel. Here value is 1. 1 into 4 by 11. That is equal to 4 by 11. That means 1 into A or A into 1 is equal to A. This is the multiplicative identity. Identity. And the third one is now 7 by 3 and 4 by 11 take LCM is 33. The value is 77 plus 12. This is the closure property. Property. And sixth one is sixth sum. Following. Very 4 plus minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2. We will verify the value, they are equal or not. We will do the sum. First of all, I take the LHS value and find the value, and next we will take the RHS value and find the value. If these two values are equal, it is equal. If these two values are not equal, they are not equal. You will write they are not equal. LHS not equal to RHS. If they are equal, LHS is equal to RHS. And next you will write the last step. Here which property are used? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. It is the associative property. It is the associative property. If they are equal, the last step is they are equal and they satisfy associative property. They satisfy associative property.